Welcome to this presentation on the landmark Kerala High Court judgment in the case of V. Rajan Babu versus Union of India and Union Bank of India. The judgment was delivered on 25th of June 2025 under WPC numbers 34611 of 2018. In this case, the petitioner, Mr. Rajan Babu, a retired employee of Union Bank of India, sought pension updation based on the bank's regulations. Let's dive into the key details.
The petitioner, V.C.D. Rajan Babu, joined Union Bank of India in 1973 and retired on 20th of April 2001. Upon retirement, he opted for the pension under the second option extended via joint note. The writ petition primarily sought pension updation based on Regulations 35(1) and 56 of the Union Bank of India, Employees Pension Regulations 1995. We will now take a look at these regulations in detail.
Regulation 35(1) of the Union Bank of India Pension Regulations originally stated that pension and additional pension were to be updated for employees retiring between January 1st, 1986 and October 31st, 1993, based on a formula outlined in Appendix 1. This regulation formed the basis for pension updates in the bank. Regulation 56 of the Pension Regulations empowers the Board of Union Bank of India to determine pension-related matters not specifically covered in the regulations. This provision allows flexibility for the bank to make decisions in exceptional cases that require interpretation or new provisions. Prior to the 2019 amendment, the 2003 revision had already extended the pension updation provisions to more retirees, aligning them with wage settlements for serving employees. However, this amendment was more about expanding eligibility rather than mandating automatic updates as seen in 2019. In the 2019 amendment to Regulation 35(1), the scope was expanded significantly. The new regulation mandated that pensions be updated for employees retiring before every wage revision settlement. The update would be done in the same manner and from the same date as the settlement for serving employees. This amendment marked a significant shift toward automatic pension updation. Mr. Rajan Babu's legal counsel argued that, based on Regulation 35(1), Union Bank was obligated to update the pension, particularly after the 2019 amendment. Additionally, the petitioner presented RTI data showing that the bank had sufficient funds to facilitate the updation without financial strain. The case was about ensuring that pension updates were applied fairly. Union Bank, in its defense, argued that no prior representations or supporting documents had been presented earlier. They requested the court to provide directions for addressing the issue, emphasizing the voluntary nature of the scheme chosen by the petitioner at the time of retirement. The court found that the petitioner prima facie had a strong case for pension updation. However, since the necessary documents and representations had not been submitted earlier, the court directed the petitioner to file a representation with Union Bank within 4 weeks. The bank was ordered to consider the representation carefully and issue a reasoned decision within 8 weeks.
This judgment is significant for multiple reasons. It recognizes the statutory right of employees to have their pensions updated in line with the most recent wage settlements. The case also sets a process for redressal, ensuring that pensioners can demand action based on merit and available funds, establishing a precedent of fairness and transparency.
Thank you for watching this presentation. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates on such important legal developments. I sincerely thank everyone who has subscribed and those who will be subscribing in the future.